Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find your stored messages in the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are inside the app, you should just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the more option. Press on it. And here in this page you will find the stored messages option. Press on it. And here in this page you will be able to see all of your stored messages. You can see there even how to do it. Tap and hold any message in chats to start it, so you can easily find it later. So basically that's how you do it, and like that you can store any kind of message and those messages will appear to you here. Now I don't have any messages in this section because I didn't reuse this app, but like I said, if you want to store messages or if you have already done that, you can find them here. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.